YouTube? It's Tai Tolou and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be getting into vision board planning, what a vision board is, why you need it for 2022, because this is going to be like the year, as well as quarterly planning, why quarterly planning is beneficial as well. So if you're interested in today's topic, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like this video because you already know it's going to be good, and you hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. So let's get right into it. When it comes to a vision board, what is a vision board? Why do I need a vision board? Blah, blah, blah. A vision board is your vision. This is a form of manifestation, a form of just being intentional with your time, your year. Some people do vision boards for the year. Some people do vision boards just for their life, what they see just in general. But in today's video, we're going to focus in on yearly planning, what you could put on your year vision board, and just why this is like super important. Like, this is your vision. This is not about your cousin, your little brother, your mother. This is specifically just what you see and set out for yourself. Yes, it could probably include a couple of things that you would like to do, maybe for your mom or for your family. But this vision board is solely for you. It's setting your own intentions, how you want to go into the year, the things that you want to tackle, the tasks and goals and achievements that you really wish to strive for. And really, like, this is just, it's just really setting the intention. So the type of things that you could put on your vision board include different words, affirmations, and vision board visualization, actual images of what the things that you want or what you're going for. So on your vision board, you can say stuff like, I am powerful, or things like resilient or self-care. Just the different little things that you feel like, I want to really focus in on this. I want this to be very important for me. I really want to push this for this year. So different words, different affirmations. An example of an affirmation is like, I will attract friendships that are beneficial. I will not, invest into nothing that doesn't serve me or my higher purpose. So affirmations could be very important. You could put song lyrics if you feel like you really resonate with a lyric. I don't know. One of my favorite songs and the favorite people to listen to when it comes to just manifesting and like higher self is definitely Drake. So putting little things up there, different song lyrics, different poems, any sayings, any quotes could all be important for you to put on your vision board. As well as visualization. Say you want a new apartment, say you want to be a homeowner, you would put things like a house on your vision board, or a living room, different pictures, okay? Where all of this comes from really depends on what type of vision board you're gonna do. So vision boards can be done either digitally or like hands-on. So where you grab a board from your local craft store. This could be Dollar Tree, this could be Dollar General. It's so many, very cheap. Where you can just grab magazines and different things. Yeah, I believe Dollar Tree and Dollar General still has and sells magazines. You could get it from different nail salons. That's if you want to go the more crafty route and have actual hands-on. So you could do different little pictures. You can get cardboard, you could get poster board, whatever you feel is best for you. And if you do want this to be a hands-on project, and you just that's just where you get really creative when you're doing the hands-on vision board. However, I personally recommend, and what I love to do is my digital vision board, because I like to just go and grab different pictures, type my own words, have my own fonts. I don't have to go and grab too much. Like, it's more where I can be creative and just make it, instead of like looking for what I can add on to the board. So digitally, you can use different things like Canva. I was gonna say Canvas, but that's the school thing. You can use Canvas, PicMonkey, it's so many different editing apps. You can just make it in a dimension and then start adding things on it. Go on Pinterest, go on Tumblr, go on Twitter, go on Instagram, and just start grabbing different images. Again, song lyrics, you can go type in a lyric. You can actually like write it with the editing app. Like, it's so many ways and like just it's your vision board. This is your creativity. This is not anything that you have to share with anybody. This could be something very intimate with you. This is something that you want to do with your friends. This is a great project to do with your friends. You do not have to rush your vision board. You don't have to scramble when it's December. You don't have to scramble just because it's January. You can always change and put things in and out of your vision board. These are intentions you're setting for yourself. Sometimes things change. Sometimes you have and feel to go in a different direction with certain things. So don't let this be where it's like something practical or like has to be perfect. Like, this is your board. This is for you. This is you setting the intention for your year. Again, for some people, they do their life. And like I said, you can choose either digitally or actual hands-on and have it within it. And even with the digital vision board, this is something that you can honestly print out and put up, like so whatever way works for you. Here are some vision board examples that I found on Pinterest and Tumblr. So basically, you get the theme of, you can have a theme for it, you can have an aesthetic, you can have like a color theme. Like I said, you can get so creative with this. And again, it's just all about you, okay? Because again, we can say things like, oh, this year I want to be more out there, or this year I want to be a tattoo artist. Like, this really sets the intention. You whip it out. You can put this as your home screen if you're doing it digitally, where you just keep reminding yourself of like why you're doing this, why you're getting up every day, what you really look forward to, especially with all that's going on in the world and in everybody's personal life right now. It can be easy for you to become doubtful or just staring away from like what you're passionate about. And when you have something that's constantly in your face and motivating you, that'll be something like, and it's just so important to have it to set the intention, to keep reminding yourself of why you got to keep going. Like, I got these goals to get done. And at the end of this video, I'm going to do like a little fun, do a like play, like just play with Pick Monkey, because Pick Monkey is a throwback, but like, don't sleep on Pick Monkey. It's actually, to me, like more, that's really where I still edit on, so I really do like that app. But I'm gonna show you guys at the end of this video, if you're interested, how you can creatively put together like a little vision board. So, but let's get into quarterly planning and why that's also important. What the hell is quarterly planning? This is like, oh, you got your life together, you got your life together. Like, you're intentional, you're organized. Because with the vision board, it's kind of just like, okay, I want to model, I want to create, I want to network, and just you throw it out there in the air. Quarterly planning is setting your year into quarters. It could be 4 quarters, it could be 3 parts, it could be seasonal, a seasonal thing, but it's setting the intention for the part of the year on the thing that you want to focus in on. So it just kind of gives more of a balanced feel to it. And then, you know, like, this is the time I told myself that I was going to be big in network, start modeling more, getting more shoots done, connecting with different creatives, getting out there and pushing myself out there. So quarterly planning is going to just be something very important as well. Maybe you also just want to incorporate time for family and living, and it just gets you a bit more organized than just doing a vision board. So you can really set the intention for periods in your life, like, okay, I have school and this time I'm really gonna focus in on that, and then in the summertime I'm gonna focus in on my business, getting things, launching things, getting products and stuff together. Like, that's where you really get organized. And I can also say for myself that this is something that has been super helpful for me throughout the years. I actually did do a last year's quarterly planning, and everything went out exactly how I set the intention to. I believe in the beginning of the year, I set it for me to just do a plan, organize. That is when I was doing my tarot business, and I was just really planning how I wanted to go through with that. The second quarter was like travel, and I did move and I did travel. And then the third quarter was like networking, you're in your creative bag. I was doing photography, I was going to events, I was meeting so many different people in that third quarter, and literally set the intention to. And then the fourth quarter, I really wanted to prioritize setting back, being and spending time with family, and I do feel like that manifested as well. So again, quarterly planning, this is something that you don't have to do, but it'll be really helpful for you to really get intentional and organized. I will also say something I did say on my Twitter, which could be helpful as well, is to write down what it is how you're feeling going into this new year. What are you dealing with? What's on your mind? What's heavy on you? What's weighing on you? Write all of that down, how you're feeling, the things that you're trying to do. So once December comes, you can see your growth and track your growth, which is why to me journaling is so important, because I feel like if you're not writing anything down and you're just going, you're going, it's not much where you can look back and say, damn, like I was so worried about this and I was so in my head about this and I'm here now. And it's a big way to like really applaud yourself. And that's the same thing with the vision board and quarterly planning. When you stick to the plan, you have a plan for yourself and you set the intention. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you've already done your vision board, if you've already done your quarterly planning, if I have inspired you to get to it. Let me know if you're interested in any editing apps. But yeah, in the next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a vision board digitally. So on the right side is the actual vision board, and on the left side is me just grabbing some images and different pictures from Pinterest. This is like a really good manifestation app. It is kind of a lot going on the screen, so bear with it. So yes, on the left side is just me scrolling through. You can scroll through Pinterest, you can scroll through Tumblr just to get your images and affirmations. You can go on Google, whatever you see fit for yourself. It could be Instagram, Twitter. So that's what I'm doing on the left side of the screen. On the right side, you see I'm using PicMonkey, and they have this really cool feature where you can basically crop out your picture, and you kind of see me doing that. I'm gonna go back to where it's like an example of it. Oh, well, I guess it's no more. So basically I just crop it out to different shapes and stars and stuff like that, so that it just gives it a cool feel. So you're just not slapping pictures on your vision board. I mean, if you want to do that, then that's cool, but this gives it a bit more fun approach. So as you can see, you know, I'm just adding it on. This is something very simple, very easy. PicMonkey has so many different colors, so many different fonts, and again, it has that feature where you can really cut out anything and make it a shape. So you see how that's a circle, and that's like an oval shape. So you can just get this is your vision board. You can get as creative as possible with it. This is just a little fun little doodle way to show you guys the things that I use and how I used to edit my own vision board. So I hope this video helps so much. Let me know in the comments down below, again, if I helped you and inspired you to create your vision board. I would like to see it if you do want to show your vision board. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.